Okay, what you got here? What are you riding today?
Hi, my name's Roger. This is a Kawasaki 250 two-stroke. And we made it awesome.
Oh, you even got like the premium ripped off label.
Yeah, buddy. We just ripping out here, you know? We're Alabama, so
yeah, look at that. Exhaust pipe. It's not even attached. It's not even attached.
Don't even need that exhaust pipe. Touch it. Touch that exhaust pipe.
Yeah, you just get a little bit retarded there, man.
All right. Let's go. Let's go for a rip there, buddy.
With the mountain bike park, I don't think we're allowed to be here, but you know, it's all good.
Gang, gang.
Oh shit! Bottomed out. Oh no.
Shit.
Little crappy thing doing the jumps. Okay, so you got like, he's gonna have to, look, you can see he's bottomed out before, he's gonna have to go over this. Okay, that'll work. Okay. So we got, Triton up there.
What?
Gonna keep stalling. Bottomed out.
Recording?
Yeah, go! 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's great. Go hit it. Get it. Bottomed out. It's only like 2 inches off the ground. This dude. Okay, we got our boy up top. We're back. We're at the berm. He's coming. Hit it!
I can't do that.
Why?
I can't do that hill.
Why not?
I'm like, break the fucking plate.
You have to put the one off the side then.
I'll just drive off to the side.
Yeah, but hit it fast. Get some air. Okay, so the plan is he's gonna come from up there, go down, go around this corner. Then there's like a little thing here, you can't really see it, but he'll go off the edge there. Ready? Right here. Go. Around the berm. He didn't do it. Retard. Karma. What is he doing? He's just being like a chicken. You don't do nothing. No! Thinks he's such a badass. Little 50 reps. Okay, he's gonna come down here. I'm gonna move. Doesn't even go on the trail. He's doing a little bit of off-roading. Okay, go down the berm.
Go down the bar!
Oh shit. You didn't make it. Oh, you didn't make it up. What the fuck? What the hell?
What?
What the hell?
Oh shit! Oh!
What did you do?
What the fuck?
What did you do?
That hurt! Oh! Oh!